This fabulous home is in a gated community and situated on a private cul-de-sac overlooking a conservancy. It is a premier lot. This home is immaculate and features 4 bdrms, 3.5 bathrms, a gourmet kitchen and chef would love, family room with fireplace, formal dining room, gracious library, stunning first-floor master suite with 2 beautiful walk-in closets, master bath with jacuzzi, 2 vanities, separate enclosed shower with glass walls and door. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the 2nd floor, a full unfinished English basement with windows and French door to exterior. New Trek deck-off kitchen. This house has CAT6 Ethernet running throughout the home, a head-end with 3 surround sound amplifiers and whole house audio systems, 2 200 electrical panels with no shared neutrals, 2 heating and AC systems.